Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you this morning? I hope that we are in good condition to follow this online program of teaching and learning process. Just to remember this motto, to stay at home and stay positive and stay healthy. Okay, for today's material is writing explanation text. Okay, explanation text, as we have discussed before, is a text which tells the process relatively of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Yeah, if we want to describe, if we want to explain about a phenomena, natural phenomena, social phenomena, we can make it into explanation text, because the purpose of explanation text is to explain in detail why and how the phenomena happen. In other words, it explains the process of a phenomena happen. Actually, there is another text that describes a process, that is procedural text, but it is focused in how to make something, like how to make instant noodle, how to make popcorn. But in this writing explanation text, it is focused in why and how a phenomena happen. Okay. Now, to make a good text, we must know the generic structure. There are 3 points of generic structure of explanation text. They are: number 1, general statement. General statement, here we introduce the phenomena itself. What phenomena that we choose, it is we put in general statement. After that, there is sequence of explanation. Yeah, this is the process of how and why it is happen. Okay, and then closing. We can close our text by closing statement if it is necessary. Well, the characteristics of explanation text, they are in explanation text. Yeah, we can find so many simple present tense sentences. Yeah, why it is used simple present tense? Because explanation text based on facts. Yeah, if we are talking about facts, we must use simple present tense. And then we can find many abstract nouns. Abstract noun means nouns in the form of terms. Yeah, terms. You can use your dictionary to help you to find out the meanings of this video. For example, absorption. Yeah. Distillation, okay, and a process, okay, because it is used many terms. And then explanation text use passive voice. Sentence in this explanation text use passive voice because it is to emphasize, yeah, to emphasize, to strengthen the terms, the phenomena itself, the process itself. Okay, and then of course it is used action verbs because it is dealing with the process. Okay, now this is brief explanation about our explanation text. Meanwhile, I give you a break and I will show you an example of explanation text that we are going to analyze.
Oke. Iya. Setelah aku sudah mengarahkan.
Now, look at this, students. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now, this is an example of explanation text. The title of this text is wood chipping. Look at that. Okay, you can read. Yeah. Here, I have divided this. I have divided this text into some terms to help us analyze the text. Okay, now follow from the paragraph 1. Wood chipping is a process used to obtain pulp and paper product from the forest. Nah, you can see this paragraph 1. Yeah, paragraph 1. Okay. Now, here is the general statement. General statement is used to show the phenomena that will be described, or the terms, okay, that will be discussed. In this case, wood chipping. Look at paragraph 2. Yeah, sequence of explanation. Wood chipping process begin when? You can read by yourself. When the trees are cut down in selected area called a couple. Next, you can find sequence of time there. Time sequence. Yeah, begins, next, then, finally there. That's some characteristic also of the explanation text. Yeah. Here, this paragraph will be considered, okay, as the sequence of explanations. And then finally the pulp is rolled out to make paper. It will be the closing. Okay. To see the characteristics of the explanation text, which is used first, simple present tense, you can see wood chipping is a process. Okay. This is using simple present tense. And then abstract nouns. Okay. Abstract noun, we can see impurities, and then plug, and then wood chipping process. That's abstract nouns. Okay. Okay. And then the passive voice form. The passive voice forms. Look at this. Wood chipping process begin when the trees are cut down. The trees are cut down. This is subject and this is the form of passive voice. Cut down. Ditebang. Okay, ditebang. Okay, and then the top and branches of the trees are cut out and the logs are taken to the mill. Taken to the mill. Can you see that? Taken to the mill. Yeah, that's also a form of passive voice. Okay. Now, taken itself, cut itself are action verbs. Okay. Okay, I will give you some explanation. Yeah, the logs are taken to the mill. Yeah, the bar of the logs is removed. Yeah, and the logs are taken to a chipper. That's our examples of passive voice form. Okay, students. Yeah, well, I hope you have understood about our material explanation text. So after this, the assignment for you is to make your own explanation text by the topics that I will give you next. Okay, thank you. Stay at home, stay positive, and stay healthy. Thank you.